Hi, today we're making tofu and pak choi miso soup with a soft boiled egg. This is a super healthy traditional Japanese soup and it's really easy to make. For this we're going to need 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds, 50 grams of firm silken tofu, 1 tablespoon of miso paste, 1 egg and 1 head of pak choi. So I've popped my pan of water on for my soft boiled egg. I'm just going to turn the heat down slightly so it's simmering and then pop my egg in. So my egg is boiling now, that needs 6 minutes, and I'm going to use a small frying pan to just toast my sesame seeds for the garnish. So I'm just dry toasting these, and while they're toasting I'm just going to prep my other ingredients. So I've got this gorgeous head of pak choi, which has a lovely, crunchy, refreshing flesh, and then lovely green leaves. So I'm going to cut this lengthways, but I'm actually going to keep the root at the bottom, just so that it all stays formed, and then I'll take that bit off at the end. So I'm going to cut down the middle, and then lay them on the side, and just cut into long wedges. This soup is so refreshing and a great quick supper. Just popping the ends off there. So the sesame seeds are almost done. They're going a lovely golden brown colour. So I'm going to turn the heat off that and pop them back into my bowl for the garnish at the end. So now time to prep my firm silken tofu. So this is made from soya beans and is really protein rich. I'm just going to cube it into quite small cubes like that. So the contents for my soup is prepped. Now I need 300 ml of boiling water to make up my soup. So into this pan, turn the heat on, pop that on a medium heat, and I'm just going to add my spoonful of miso paste. This has gorgeous umami flavours, quite salty. So what I just want to do is, so I'm just going to break up that paste with the back of my wooden spoon. Time to add that gorgeous crunchy pak choi. That needs just about 2 minutes, so it really keeps some of that bite. That egg's had 6 minutes, so I'm going to take it out and pop it in some cold water just to stop the cooking process so the yolk is really nice and soft. So the pak choi has had 2 minutes in the miso soup, and it's time to add the tofu, just for 1 more minute. Give it a little stir. The tofu takes just a minute, so I'm now going to peel my egg, which has been sitting in the cold water, so it's cool enough to handle now. I'm just going to gently break the shell and very carefully peel it open. Just go slowly. And that middle should be lovely and soft. The egg is another great source of protein alongside the tofu. There we go. And now I'm just going to chop this in half and it'll sit on top of the soup. Now the soup's ready. Turn the heat off and move it over. It smells delicious, just that umami, savoury smell. I'm going to pop my pak choi in the bottom and then ladle the rest on top. I'm now going to pop my soft boiled egg on top. Gives a gorgeous colour. Now I'm going to top that lovely cloudy broth with the toasted sesame seeds. There it is, fresh and satisfying tofu and pak choi miso soup with a soft boiled egg.